At Single Finance, users can deposit assets into a lending pool to earn borrowing interest. In the DeFi world, when you lend your assets, you typically receive IB token as a proof of ownership of the loan. IB token stands for interest-bearing tokens. The balance of your IB tokens is directly proportional to the stake you have in the lending pool, which accrues interest every block. Once you hold IB token, you can stake them into our vault to earn extra single. Let's jump right in and walk you through the process of depositing your tokens into the lending pool. Click on Lending in the top header bar. Browse through the list and select the token you want to deposit. For demonstration purposes, we will go with CRO. Click on Deposit button on the right to proceed. Check your wallet balance and enter the amount you would like to deposit. Note that you will need to approve the token first if you haven't approved this token before. After your deposit has been completed, you will be receiving your corresponding IB tokens, such as IB CRO in this case. If you would like to earn those extra single rewards, click on the expand arrow beside the deposit button. In the drop-down menu, enter the number of IB CRO you want to stake in the vault and click Stake. There you go, all done. To withdraw your staked IB tokens from the lending pool, you will need to unstake it from the vault first. Click on the expand arrow on CRO lending pool. You can see how many IB CRO you've staked in the pool and single rewards to be collected. Enter the amount of IB CRO you wish to remove from the pool and click Unstake. All single rewards will be harvested and deposited to your wallet automatically. There is one more step to go before getting your CRO token. Remember, you are still holding the IB CRO only. Now click on Withdraw button on the list. You can see a pop-up window with your available IB CRO balance on the top right-hand corner. Note that it would be 0 if you did not unstake it from the vault. Enter the amount of unstaked IB CRO you'd like to withdraw. The number of CRO tokens receivables will update automatically under the box. If everything looks alright, click Withdraw to get your original CRO tokens. If that was useful, subscribe for the next video in our series that will break down the process on how you can open a leveraged yield farming position. As always, connect with us on Discord or any of our socials if you have more questions.